Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Slack plus Google Docs for AI meeting notes, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Slack website. Log into your Slack workspace using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Apps section on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Google Drive and press Enter. Select the Google Drive app from the search results. Click the Add to Slack button to start the installation process. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account. Click the Authorize button to allow Slack access to your Google Drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Google account if prompted. Review the permissions requested for Slack and confirm by clicking Allow. After authorization, you will see a confirmation message that Google Drive is connected. Now, navigate to your Google Docs. Open or create the document where you want to store your meeting notes. Return to Slack and enter the channel or direct message where you want to share the meeting notes. Type /drive followed by the name of your Google Doc to share it directly in Slack. Press Enter to send the link to your Google Doc in Slack. To enable AI for summarizing meeting notes, ensure you have an AI integration set up within Slack. Go to your AI integration settings and authorize it with your Slack account. Follow the prompts to link the AI service with your Google account if necessary. Once set up, you can ask the AI to generate meeting notes by referencing the Google Doc link shared in Slack. Use commands or prompts to retrieve summaries or notes from your meetings. Verify that the AI integration can access your Google Docs for effective note-taking. With everything connected, you're now set to streamline your meeting notes using Slack and Google Docs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.